Hello friends, today's recipe is chocolate pancake. I mean millet pancake with chocolate flavor. So take a bowl, take one egg, use vanilla essence 1 teaspoon. You can see it is a harvest vanilla essence. Pinch of salt, pinch of soda. Now milk, see that is I will show you packet. Milk I am taking one small cup, that is a 120 ml of milk, and 1 teaspoon oil. So mix it all. This is a nice breakfast. You can try it once. You can prepare without used ready-made pancake batter. So I will show you with, how can we prepare in house also. This is a millet mix pancake slur form. So description they have given half cup of packet, that is a 75 grams. I am using half cup. In that I am using 120 ml milk. So this batter you can mix it well. I will show you how can you prepare with wheat also and maida also. So this is our pancake batter. You have to mix it well. There should not be any lumps. So with that you can strain with the strainer. I didn't strain because it is a ready-made, so I have used directly. So whisk it properly. So our batter is almost ready. You can see it. If it is very thin, you can add batter some more, like 1/4 packet. So keep a pan in gas. It should be in sim. I am using here ghee. You can use butter also. And slowly keep the batter. Don't rub it. Don't touch it. So it will automatically cook properly. This will take time for cooking because we are using completely on sim. So you have to wait for it. Try it once. This is a very tasty and different breakfast. You can try it once and taste it. So allow to bubble should go from the top, and now you can flip it. But completely this preparation should be on the sim form only. You should not make the very high flame, otherwise it will burn. So these are delicately you should handle, but this is a very tasty breakfast. You can try it. Children's love it, everybody love it. This is a different type of breakfast. So slowly just keep the batter. I'll prepare other type of pancakes also, so definitely try it once and message me how is the taste. So slowly flip it. If you like my videos, please hit the like button, share and subscribe. So our pancakes are ready. So you can see the pancakes. We can add normal fruits also, dry fruits also. You can add apple or strawberries. I have added black raisins and cashew. You can add whatever you like, and after keeping this you can use honey, so it will come the good taste. You can definitely try this recipe. This is very easy and tasty recipe, and it look very delicious. It is a kind of nice flavored pancake. You can try it definitely. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.